Today, we're diving into the Goplus 3.75HP folding treadmill with Incline, a powerhouse for your home gym. With 12 preset and 3 custom programs, this treadmill offers versatility to boost your health and burn fat. The 1 to 15% automatic incline allows for a customized workout, targeting core strength and regulating metabolism. The 52-foot x17 super-wide running belt provides a comfortable and secure running surface. Its 5-layer shock-absorbing design ensures excellent cushioning, protecting your knees and ankles during intense workouts. The 5-inch Blu-ray LCD display keeps you informed about your time, speed, distance, calories, heart rate, program, and mode. What sets this treadmill apart is the Bluetooth connectivity with 4 built-in speakers, allowing you to enjoy music while exercising. The app control feature lets you record, review, and share your fitness data on social media, with a variety of lessons to choose from. Powered by a robust 3.75HP motor, this treadmill delivers ample power for various training types while maintaining a quiet environment. With a weight capacity of 265 pounds, it ensures a safe workout experience. The soft drop system and easy folding mechanism make storage hassle-free, complemented by the heart rate monitoring handrails and safety KEY.I. In summary, the Goplus folding treadmill with Incline is a feature-packed home gym essential. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, this treadmill offers the tools you need for an effective and enjoyable workout. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.